let's see the example. For these three columns, we are going to apply conditional formatting. Now I select the data, but one mistake here. Hello learners, in this video I am going to explain how to use conditional formatting in Excel. First of all, you need to understand the concept of conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is used for highlighting the cell value by using colors and icons. Okay, let's see the example. It shows sales details of the firm, like amount, discount and net amount. For these three columns, we are going to apply conditional formatting. I have some conditions. The conditions are sales is above 1000 green, below 500 red, 500 to 1000 yellow. No purchase red and particular amount blue. Okay guys, let's see how to apply conditional formatting in Excel. Before applying conditional formatting, select the data first. Now I select the data and click conditional formatting. Then click highlight cell rules. Then click greater than. Now I enter 1000. I change the color into green. So the condition is above 1000. The cell color is changed into green. Now I click conditional formatting. Then click highlight cell rules. Then click less than. Now I enter 500. I change the color into red. So below 500 the cell color change into red. Now I click conditional formatting, then click highlight cell rules, then click between. Now I enter 500 to 1000. So between 500 to 1000 the cell color change into yellow. So I change the color into yellow. But one mistake here. So again I press conditional formatting, click highlight cell rules, then click text that contain and enter the text. The text is no purchase and I change the color. So I customize the color into dark red and I click OK. Now if you want to highlight one value, you can use equal to. So I click conditional formatting, then click highlight cell rules, then click equal to. Now I enter 12,000 and change the color into blue. So I click custom format, then I change the color into blue, press OK. Now the color is changed. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss another updates.